Yeah, so this is Mwalimu Ignatius Wahome YouTube channel for mathematics. So, and we are going to cover the question on probability. This is a question that I've tested students somewhere and in a class. This is the question provided for the probability. So, and the question reads this. Juma from two students was told to pick two numbers, x and y, from a set of digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Find the probability that the value x minus y. X minus y means the modulus. Modulus of this one are absolute values. You take the difference between this one, then take the absolute values, means you take the values as positive values. So x minus y, the difference should be positive, is at least 3. So therefore, in this kind of question, you are supposed to create a probability space. Probability what? Space. So therefore, so what you do, you are supposed to take, because it is picked from the digit 0, 1 to from 0 all the way to 6. You are supposed to create this kind of a table. Make the values of x there and y there. So x to run horizontally from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Supposed to get that. Then y. Y, the values of y, the second digit, should run vertically so that you can create a probability space for this. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the last one 6. You have 6 there. So you have 6. So these are the numbers that you're supposed to get. So those are the numbers that you're supposed to get. So the numbers you're supposed to get. So the numbers that you're supposed to get. So therefore, from there, you are supposed to get the difference. The difference between the two numbers. The difference between the two numbers is 0 minus 0, that is 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Like that. So write that one. It should be like that. Then you go to the second. 0 minus 1. When you talk of this x minus y, you are supposed to take the absolute value, meaning when you subtract 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, you should write 1, because you are talking of absolute. You should take the absolute value. That is why you are given x minus y. Their difference, if you get the difference as negative, you write it as positive. So should be just like the positive values, the absolute values. Absolute values means you take all the values as positive. So therefore, 0 minus 1, you take 1. 1 minus 1, 0. This is 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's what you're supposed to take. Next, 0 minus 2, that's you write 2. 1 minus 2, you write 1. 2 minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see, because these numbers, these digits, are consecutive, meaning they follow each other, you are supposed to, it's forming a pattern. When you subtract them, they're forming a pattern. So therefore, 0 minus 3, that is right 3. 1 minus 3, that is 2. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Because the last one, 6 minus 3 is 3 there. So you are taking only the absolute values, the positive values. So therefore, 0 minus 4, write 4. There is 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, and 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and 1. And then the last one here, the last one should be 0 minus 6, that is 0, sorry, that is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So you are supposed to get like that, should be like that. Yeah, get like that. Get like that. Get like that. Yeah, so get that. So that's the one that you call the probability space. So when you see x minus y, means you take the absolute values. That is all the values when they are positive. So go to the question. Find the probability that x minus y now, this difference here, like this, is at least 3. What does at least 3 mean? Ivan? At least 3. At least 3 means the minimum is 3. It is 3. At least 3 means it is either 3, 4, 5, or even 6. So, but minimum should be what? Should be 3. That's what we talk of, at least 3. So, therefore, can we see the outcomes here with at least from 3 and above? So, we can start here. Can start here. Count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So probability, the total outcome for at least 3, they are probability of getting at least 3. This one you can write probability of getting at least 3 means greater than or equals to 3. Will be equals to what? We have got 20. Sawa? So 20 out of the total outcomes. How many do you have? 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are 7 by 7. So therefore, this is 20 over 49. Because all these outcomes, total outcome is 49. So therefore, in this case, we talk of favorable outcomes. For the question is 20 out of, is 20 out of what? 49. So therefore, the answer is 20 over 49. And that is now how you're supposed to tackle that question, no probability. So you can see it's a 3 marks question, but it's involving. And the trick is where you get this x minus y magnitude. The modulus, you take the absolute values, get the absolute values. Yeah, so that's how you work it out. So thank you very much for watching that. That's Mwalimu Ignatius Wahome YouTube channel. So remember to subscribe after the lesson. Asanteni sana.